Mr. Ng's mom do your homework.
Good morning, guys. This is question 26 on the SBAC practice exam, and here's what the question is asking us to do. It says, given the function y equals 3x squared minus 12x plus 9, it says place a point on the coordinate grid to show each x-intercept of the function. Okay, so we want to find x-intercept of the function. So you can see what I have done is I have let y be 0. So because we know x-intercept occurs when y is 0, so I'm letting y be 0. So I'm taking the equation and I'm setting y equals 0. Now if we solve this, then we get the x-intercept. So let's see. So we can solve this by factoring. So I'm thinking about factoring 3 out. Okay. Alright, so it looks easy enough for us to kind of work this one out. I can factor more. I can factor using guess and check or the x method. So we need two numbers that multiply up to 3, add up to -4. So two numbers are -3 and -1. They add up to 3 and they add up to -4 and multiply to +3. Okay, so almost done. So I'm going to take each factor, set it equal to 0, and we should get our x-intercept. Here is one x-intercept, and let's see where the other x-intercept is. Here is the other x-intercept. So these are the two x-intercepts for our function. So let me plot them. So one is at 3, one is at 1. These are the two x-intercepts. Now second question says place a point on the coordinate grid to show the minimum value of the function. So we want to show where is the minimum value of the function. Now this is a parabola that opens upward. It's a parabola that opens upward. So we know minimum value occurs where the vertex of this parabola is, right? So now we know that these are the x-intercepts. So the vertex of this parabola occurs right in the middle of these two x-intercepts, which is at 2. So we know that the vertex occurs, let me write that. So vertex occurs at 2, and now all we need to do is just figure out the y value of the 2, right? So I'm going to take 2 and plug it back into the equation, and that would give me y value of our vertex. So let's see.
Because we go from 900 to 9. Oh, David, do you have zip break?
No.
No. Okay.
We got the scanning and then the multiple choice.
Yes.
The lash. So this is where district one?
The lash is
So our y value is -3. So our vertex is 2, -3. So 2, negative. -3. So right there, that's your answer. So you find x-intercept by setting y equals 0. You factor, okay, you get your x-intercept. Vertex is located right in the middle, right? That's 2. And you take 2, plug it back into the equation right here, and you got the y value of your vertex, which is 2, -3. All right? Thank you.
Shout out to Miss Ang for being the best math teacher that there is. And math is easy. It's just like 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 4 plus 4 equals 8. 8 plus 8 equals 16, etc., etc. Shout out Mr. Ang. Math is easy, by the way.